Hello friends, today I am going to show you a super easy way to get rid of that annoying neck pain and stiffness. If you often suffer from neck aches, headaches, or even dizziness, you need to try these simple exercises. It's all about a specific massage technique that works wonders. I'm not just saying this, I've used this method on myself many times and it's been a lifesaver. Sometimes my neck gets so stiff that my head starts to pound and I feel dizzy. It even gets hard to think clearly or remember things. These are classic symptoms of what's often called cervical spondylosis or osteochondrosis. What's happening is that the blood vessels in your neck getting pinched, which means your brain isn't getting enough oxygen and nutrients. Our main goal is to relax the muscles that are squeezing your cervical vertebrae and constricting those blood vessels. So let's get started. First, we need to warm up the trapezius muscle, which is this large muscle that runs from your neck down to your shoulders. We'll begin with a preparatory massage. Just gently rub and knead the area to get the blood flowing. After it feels a bit warmer, we'll do this special move. As you can see, I'm grabbing the muscle starting from my collarbone and reaching back as far as I can. I try to get a really good grip on the muscle and just hold it for a few seconds. This technique helps the muscle relax much faster than just rubbing it. Of course, you have to warm up the muscles first, so we'll do this a few times. Repeat the grabbing and holding motion. This is incredibly effective for releasing tension. Once our muscles are relaxed and we've pumped some fresh blood into the area, we can move on to the neck itself. The same principle applies. We need to warm up the neck muscles before we start the deeper work. You can do some gentle movements like rubbing the sides and back of your neck. The goal here is to get the muscles warm and ready. So first, we relax the upper part of the trapezius muscles, and then we move to the muscles in the cervical region, the ones right on your neck. We can do some gentle stretches here as well. Just repeat these movements several times until you feel the tension start to melt away. Now, a little warning, if your muscles are extremely tight, this might feel a bit painful. You might have to breathe through it. The pain is just a sign that your muscles are tense, and these manipulations are actually providing a therapeutic effect. Don't be alarmed by it. Next, start to feel around for any knots or trigger points, those small, hard spots that are especially tense. Once you find one, gently massage it until you feel it soften and release. We're going to continue this process of stretching and holding. Try to grasp as much of the muscle as you can, give it a little pull and hold. You'll feel a noticeable release. After warming up the trapezius, we'll focus on the neck. Again, warm it up first by rubbing it to bring blood to the surface. You might see some slight redness, which is a good sign. Then we'll do a similar stretch and gently pulling the skin and the muscle underneath and holding it for a moment. This helps the neck muscles in this specific area relax as much as possible. This part might also be a bit uncomfortable, but try to be patient. Very important disclaimer: if you have serious issues with your cervical spine, like a herniated disc, please be extremely careful. Do these exercises gently and listen to your body. The goal is to help, not harm. If you have a diagnosed condition, it's always best to consult with your doctor or a physical therapist first. Now, let's tilt our head to the side to stretch the lateral neck muscle. We'll begin to massage it like this. And again, we're going to grab that muscle, get a good grip, stretch it gently, and hold. You will literally feel the muscle start to let go and relax under your fingers as you do this. It's a pretty amazing feeling. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the other side of the neck. Grab the muscle, hold it for a bit, and let it relax. As you can see, these are very simple movements. There's nothing complicated here at all. I've tested this on myself time and time again, and I even do this for my family and friends. The effect is almost immediate. For this massage, it feels like a wave of clarity washes over your brain. The dizziness fades, your head clears up, and you can think so much better. My memory improves, and honestly, I feel like I'm seeing the world with fresh eyes. I think almost everyone has some kind of neck problem these days, especially with so many of us working at computers. We spend hours sitting, staring at a screen, which puts a huge strain on our eyes, neck muscles, and spine. The neck muscles get stuck in a constant state of tension, which pulls the cervical vertebrae out of alignment. That's the root of all these problems: the chondrosis, the pinched blood vessels, headaches, brain fog, and dizziness. It can create a whole cascade of symptoms. This simple routine can make a world of difference. So give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.